Welcome to the Auto Brainiac channel. Today we are looking at a slightly different type of crash test, a front bumper impact. And one of these cars handles the crash better than it looks. We are comparing two iconic models from the mid-2000s, the Mercedes C-Class and the BMW 3 Series. At the end, I will show you the official rating, safety rating, because it might surprise you. Watch this moment carefully. Now, watch it again. Right here. This is where the difference becomes clear. Look at both cars at the same time. The C-Class front structure collapses more visible, while the BMW stays more rigid. At first, the C-Class might look worse, but that visible crumble actually means it's absorbing more of the crash energy. Both cars actually received a good rating in the moderate overlap front crash test. If you enjoy this type of content and want to better understand how cars actually perform in real crash scenarios, check out the other videos on the channel. Thank you. Bye.